Hello everyone, this should lift your spirits. A group formed of a distiller, chefs and a mixologist in the Rainbow Nation of South Africa have produced the world's first ever coffee table cookery book for a spirit, the Ginologist Cook, 150 delicious recipes with gin, available in hardback, also for Kindle, smartphones and other devices. Here's a selection from the delicious recipes, starting with starters: roasted beetroot with citrus gin, flambéed halloumi with floral gin, salmon mousse with spice gin. For mains, there's pumpkin tart with cinnamon sticks and floral gin, beef pie with spice gin, and citrus glazed salmon with citrus gin. For dessert, how about chocolate bread and butter pudding with spice gin, or black forest Yule log with citrus gin, or lime madeleine with citrus gin. For cocktails, there's House It Boat with floral gin, and finally, Choc Out with spice gin.